Match.
one winner who will win 100 pesos. Okay, ready? Try out. Head,
Rodmar, galing nga!
knees, toes, head, knees, toes, shoulder, cup.
Cup!
Ganun lang. O, try it. Dapat mabilis na lang. Okay, pulik ba? Okay, pulik ba?
Paano malalaman kung sinong una?
Ready?
When she say cup, you have to take it.
Head, knees, toes, shoulder, knees, head, toes, shoulder, head, head, head.
Dahil ganun din! Eliminated! You got eliminated! Hindi, si Ate Julina. Kanina daw. Si Rodmar. Katapat mo.
Si Nanay.
Si Nanay.
Aster ang katapat.
Hindi.
Nanalo si Jassy. Manalo si Jassy. Kay Sabi.
Ay, pagbigyan mo na.
Yan, ang tawag dyan. Labi ka muna siya yan. Ayan, yan. Ayan.
Ikaw ka lang masabi.
Wala ba ka? Oh.
Okay, this is the final round. Ready? Are you ready? Okay. Toes, knees, shoulder, head, toes,
Rodmar,
knees,
ganyan.
shoulder, 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 knees, toes, head, toes, knees, 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 cut! Yes! Wali ang winner! Nasaan ang panalo?
Final, Jassy.
Jassy versus Sawi.
Wag! Sino na?
Ano na lang? Rodmar versus Jassy. Sawi versus Tito Den.
Ano ba yan?
Okay, ready?
Ay, ay, ay!
Okay? Okay, I will change the please. Do you know where is ulo? Ulo. Paa. Tuhod. Balikat. Okay, let's proceed. This is English. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Are you having fun? Okay, ready? Go. Knees. Be fast. Shoulder. Knees. Toes. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Toes. Head. Shoulder. Head. Head. Knees. Toes. Head. Shoulder.
Eh, sa inyo.
Ay, di ba na isa? Wow, 100!
Ay, hindi kayo pala. Kayo sa ni ate. Kayo pala kami sa inyo. Kayo na.
Oh, Jamina!
Wow, yung may daddy.
Sabi may time.
Kayo sunod. Don't let it be. 5 seconds na. Because may timer. Gay, nasaan na?
Nasaan na? Cellphone.
Okay, next game. We call this one Straw Mo. Straw Mo. Give me sample first. Sample.
May battery ka naman na.
It's only, we have a time, huh? Only 5 seconds.
Laro nila.
Punta kayo dun, punta kayo sa loob. Punta kayo dun, Papa. Papa.
Only one barrier is okay.
Doon.
Only one barrier.
Ano gagawin? Sa ilong?
Alright.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh, sa ilong.
Like this, huh?
5 seconds.
You need to snip the straw.
Strong.
You know? You're holding with your nose while snipping it. Yeah? And then you need to do like this.
3 rounds. One. 5 rounds.
One,
God!
three. And then you need to do like this.